All right, y'all, let's go. Baby back ribs, Carolina Red Sauce. Yeah, boy! All right, y'all, first things first, let's season the meat. You got to start off with rubbing it down with a little Worcestershire sauce. Next thing you want to do is grab your favorite seasoning, dust it off with your favorite seasoning. And then, of course, you want to hit it with some black pepper flakes. And just to finish it off, I'm going to dust it with a little bit of dried parsley as well, just to give it some beautiful appearance before I cook it. All right, now let's make the Carolina Red Sauce. You want to start off with 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar, followed by 1 tablespoon of black pepper, followed by 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Then you want to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, packed. Then we're going to follow it up with a tablespoon of Texas Pete hot sauce. And then, gotta have some ketchup. We're going to start off with 1/4 cup of ketchup. And I like to add celery seed to mine. So this is 1/2 teaspoon of celery seed. And then I also want to follow it up with 2 tablespoons of molasses. This is totally optional, don't have to add it, but to me it adds a nice little kick. And then once we finish that up, stir it up, put it in the refrigerator, let it sit, and you're good to go. All right, we're gonna cook these ribs over lump charcoal, no dry wood, just straight lump charcoal. All right, y'all, there go our beautiful ribs, baby backs. There we go. Slab number 2. And that's it, y'all. We're gonna let these roll over hardwood lump, and that's it. Yeah, boy. All right, this is after an hour. They still look good. Let's check the bottom. Looking pretty good under the bone. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over. I like to flip my ribs over. And do bone side down for an hour. So I did bone flesh side up for an hour. Now I'm gonna do bone side up for an hour. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, boy. One thing Corona can't stop is the cookout, baby. The cookout must go on. Y'all see it? All right, after about 2 hours at 280 degrees, this is what we're looking at. So I think it's about time to get them wrapped. All right, y'all, while I'm wrapping them, I got my my little Carolina barbecue sauce right here. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of that on there. Not a lot of sugar, so I don't expect it to burn. But I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some of that on there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these things on up. All right, after an hour in the 4-pack, we've removed the ribs. All we want to do now is just mop it down with this Carolina Red Sauce. All that beautiful vinegar and the spices is just going to add another touch of flavor to this meat. It's not going to burn. You didn't add that much sugar. So add as much sauce as you want to. But let me tell you something. This is going to add phenomenal flavor to these baby back ribs. Yeah, boy. And for those that don't have a brush, no worries, man. Grab whatever you can and just drizzle that sauce over the meat. You will not go wrong, trust me. It's not gonna burn. It's gonna char grill into that meat. Absolutely beautiful. All right, that's all it takes to create some beautiful baby back ribs with a nice Carolina Red Sauce. I want to thank y'all for joining me here at the Rolling Grill, and as always, good food, good vibes. Yeah, boy.